everyone, welcome back to my videos. Today is going to be a quick audio lesson. Now I know in some of my videos my audio is not good. I did not process at all. So today I'm going to be showing you some techniques that I've recently been using on my videos. So we are working with Adobe Audition. This is a video track that I recorded literally just now, so let's go through it. It's me trying to be a radio host. Hello, this is 123 FM and we are having a lovely day. I hope you're having a lovely day as well. Okay, so there is a lot of static in there, especially at the beginning. And this area right here, this is a leeway. I gave myself this. When you're recording on set or whether it be a video, always make sure to get room tone. Room tone is at least a minute of just silence and just what the room ambience sounds like. Now, this is something that I've done a lot. I go through my audio and look for a silence or just like a break of silence. That way I can hear just that static. Now what you want to do is you want to capture a sound print. That way it can be very familiar with this sound, the sound that you do not want. So we're going to go all the way to about here, and we're just going to get as much precise audio as we can. That's why having room tone would make this amazing. So we're going to go to capture noise print. Now it has it captured, it's saved. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use that saved memory in the noise reduction restoration, and we're going to process this. Now, let's hear what it sounds like now. Hello, this is 123 FM, and we are having a lovely day. I hope you're having a lovely day as well. Now, you might have noticed in the beginning that, well, first of all, let's go over the audio. The audio sounded a lot better. There's a lot less static, but now there's that weird, watery mumbo jumbo at the beginning. Now that means we need to fine-tune the process. That means that there's a lot more settings and a lot more complications involved. But remember, I wanted to show you a quick tutorial. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the rest of this audio. Well, thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this, I will make more in the future. But I hope that this helped you out greatly. And we will be back with a video if you guys want it about the little settings to get rid of the water. Thank you so much and have a great day.